So it's the same machine as before, but these guys are putting the panels on the very top. So here we'll see him pick it up. Guys. So yeah, they put it on the top like that. Yeah, and it goes all the way back, and there's a team of guys behind them tightening in the bolts and all that stuff. And in the end, this is what it should look like. It goes all the way down. These things, they heat up so much. And we have a heat warning right now too, so it's really hot. The sun is shining. And yeah, man, that's how we install the panels here. And that's how it goes.